Hello, I'm in my apartment in Georgetown, which is on Penang, which is an island in Malaysia. I'm here for 2 weeks. This is what is it called? Serviced apartment. So it's rented like a hotel, but it's an apartment. So this is the view from the entryway. Here's the living room, and this is a futon, which can be turned into a second bed. We have some shelves with nothing on them. There's the front door. We have a fairly big TV with Netflix, and someone's already signed into it, so I'm just gonna use their account. It also comes with a PlayStation, I think for DVDs and stuff. Or is it an Xbox? Whatever, it's some kind of gaming system. So there is air conditioning in the living room and a little table. And then going this way, okay, we'll go into the kitchen first. So here's a separate kitchen room, and you can see it has a washing machine. And this one, unfortunately, is half broken because the dryer part doesn't work, but supposedly it may get replaced next week. There is a microwave. We have, standard sink, the induction burners, actually really big counter space. We have a mop, which I'm not going to use, but there we go. Okay, here's the view out here. Here we go. Let's see what's in the cabinets. We have a kettle, a toaster, a rice cooker. Yeah, it's a rice cooker. Some little stuff that I think is for storage. What do we have here? We have mugs, some plates and bowls, wine glasses, and this one is empty. Okay, and then down here we have a little bit of cleaning supplies. Looks like boxes to the stuff that's up top. Oh, good. Utensils are down here. That's kind of a weird place to put them. And here's some cutting boards and pans and such. And I forgot to show these. So we do have a spatula. We actually have 2 spatulas. Oh my God. And we have multiple knives and a whisk and multiple things to cook with, so that's kind of fun. And then we also have got a water filter on the side there, some soap here, soap there. So we do have some cleaning stuff, and I noticed there's also some ant. Oh God, okay. Laundry soap right there. There's an ant right there. So gotta be careful about what foods I leave out, obviously. Okay, there is a door that goes across. That's cool. Okay, so that's the kitchen. And then going here, so we have a fridge. It's not like full size, but it's much bigger than most apartment fridges. We also have some toilet paper there, thank God. And let's see, empty cabinet above. Okay, inside. Oh good, it's turned on. Empty, good. Doesn't smell either. Okay, here's the bathroom. It's pretty small, but look at this. A separate shower and a stall, so the toilet's not gonna get wet when I take a shower, so that's good. And we also have got some body wash and stuff, that's nice. This also looks kind of new. I've used this kind of stick thing before. It's not my favorite, but I'm just happy there's a door there. And then over here on the sink, we have got some more amenities, including a toothbrush set, 3 toothbrush sets. Now, where is that? But, we'll take what we can get. Here's a little trash bag. Oh yeah. Hello. Okay, and then, okay, so this is facing out from the bathroom, and then here's the bedroom, which has a fairly big bed, looks like a double. We have got 3 towels, hallelujah. Plenty of pillows, I hope they're soft. Let's see. Okay, we've got a hair dryer. Does this open? A drawer with nothing in it except a plug adapter, looks like. And here is a closet. Even more pillows. That must be for the futon outside. Very interesting. We have like a flat pillow and then ooh, a nice firm pillow. Okay, and extra sheets, I guess. Empty except for some keys. Yeah, I'm assuming these are all empty. Yeah, okay, I can't open that bottom one. Okay, let's look on the other side. Excuse me. Okay, other side. We've got some hangers. One of these like double bars in the closet, which is kind of cool. An ironing board, an iron. Oh my god. Oh, I'm tired. Okay. And I also asked if they had a thing to hang up wet clothes since my dryer doesn't work, and the security guy or like the on-call manager guy said he'd ask. Okay, here's so just showing off some stains on the curtains in case I need that later. Okay, here's the view from the bedroom. So that's our pool down there, I think, which we have access to. And then here's part of the city over there. And next door, I think, is a hotel, and that must be their pool on that side. Okay. And there's an air conditioner in here as well. You probably have been listening to it this whole time. Yeah, so this is the apartment. It's actually kind of nice because it's a proper apartment with multiple rooms. At least a separate living room and the bedroom separate, so that's nice again. And this is about $40 US a night, which is kind of expensive. I think in Japan I was paying like $35 for that apartment in Fukuoka, and slightly less for the studio apartment in Daito. But this one is much nicer than the Fukuoka one. I mean, look at all that counter space I have in the kitchen, for Pete's sake. Yeah, and I haven't looked around the neighborhood or anything yet, but it seems pretty nice. And then, oh, I'll show you. There's kind of like a weird thing outside the door here, so we have the door. And then we have like the entryway. We have the entryway here to put your shoes. And then this like locked gate thing. And then that's the elevator. Isn't that weird? I'm on the 13th floor. So it should be fairly quiet, unless I have loud neighbors. Yeah. So I'm here for 2 weeks.